Hi everyone, this is Harriet from Wallows Legal, and I want to talk to you today about starting your own business. So a lot of people these days are having at least a side hustle. It seems to be the thing that if you're working for a company, sometimes you'll have something on the side. And this can grow into being a really successful entity. And of course, we all read the stories about how people start one sort of simple side hustle or one simple business, and then it turns into something really successful. And that's all very exciting. However, as lawyers, we're the ones that will do the boring work underneath all the exciting stuff to make sure that you enjoy as much success as possible. And the way we do this is through proper structures. So when someone comes to us and says, I want to start up a business, I want to do this, I have a great idea, we will look at that and we'll think, okay, are you going to be better off as a sole trader, as a company, or as a trust structure? And a lot of that will also revolve around, well, who's going to be funding this startup of this entity? Are you going to be including, are you going to be doing a number of series of fundraising? Are you going to need a shareholder agreement? Are you going to reward your employees? So will you need to have employment contracts and employment share option plans in place? The other thing is that inevitably you're going to need a privacy policy and a way of managing either clients' information or people that are visiting, say, your website. And sooner or later, you'll probably need a lease. So there's a couple of really predictable documents that every startup will need. And we are here as lawyers to make sure that all of that is put in place well. There's always the benefit of engaging with lawyers at the start, but then it always seems like, what a waste of money because it's boring, and what do you actually need this for? And I could be spending this money on online marketing or something like that. I would say to everyone, when you have a quality foundation, you can absolutely thrive. And that's the thing about quality legal advice at the beginning. When you build a solid foundation, legally speaking, you will avoid many costly mistakes later on. So I really encourage anyone that's looking to start up a business to come to us, have a chat, and we can see how to best set you up for success. Thank you.